We're, we are currently at 9226 Tutwiler Avenue. We pushed in the camera from the yard clean out all the way to the stack in the basement. Right now you're looking at is the stack. You're in the sweep in the floor. Going to pull back so you can see the repair we did. Took up the old cast iron and replaced it with plastic. Pull back and see the condition of the pipe. This is the Y that's we put in that goes to the floor drain, pushing up the other side of the Y so you can see this part of the repair as well. Just 5 feet away from the stack. And this continues on to this the floor drain. Just 5 feet from the stack. Yes. This is where we connected to the clay. This is the transition from 4-inch plastic, schedule 40, to 6-inch clay. I'm going now to push in from the yard clean out to the main. We did run a 4-inch cutter head through the 6-inch clay. There was a little bit of root buildup on the where the pieces come together at the hubs. This is the main out in the street. I'm going to pull back the camera so you can see the condition of the pipe. Pipe doesn't seem to be cracked. Everything seems to be alright. There's a little bit of root still on the one side you'll see coming up here, but that's normal. We couldn't get a 5-inch cutter head through the trap, so we put in a 4 and cabled out. This is the yard clean out we went through.